Hello and welcome to another session. Topic number 3, 7 effective teaching strategies for the classroom. Let's start. I have a special phrase for you. The cure for boredom is curiosity. There is no cure for curiosity. The more you learn, the more you want to learn, the more the world becomes more interesting to you and discovering. It becomes more fun. So, our topic for this session is 7 effective teaching strategies for the classroom. Number 1, visualization. Bring dull academic content to life with visual and practical learning experience, helping your students to understand how they can apply it in a real world. So here, as a teachers, we can create multimedia, we can create pictures, we can create posters, we can create infographics, and also videos or click to encourage your students and to get out of their seats with classroom experience and call the attention of our kids. Number 2, cooperative learning. Encourage students to mix abilities to work together by promoting small groups or whole class activities. Through verbally expressing by their ideas, responses to others, students, and to develop self-confidences. This is very, very, very important. And then to engage their communication and critical thinking skills, and they can solve their own problems according that you give to them. And also here you can, we have another examples of how cooperative learning can be incorporated into the classroom lessons. Let's see. Number 3, inquiry-based instructions. Who's through operating question which inspire students to think for themselves and become more independent learning. This is very important. The type of activities that you gave to the students, and they can investigate and they can explore and they can create their own ideas. Helps a lot to improve their problem solving skills. And it's very, very, very important that you can develop this skill in your students so they can solve and they can explore and investigate by themselves. And here it's very important the type of activities that you give to your students to develop this curiosity in each one. Number 4, differentiation. Differentiate your teaching by locating taxpayer of students' abilities to ensure no gets left behind. Assigning classroom activities according to the students. You look for the activities before you plan. When you are planning your class, you have to select the correct activities according to the topic and according to the age of each student. Why? Because learning means individually and higher academic, and you have to be sure that the activities is special to them, and this is can involve heading of worksheet, and this is work in classroom, so they can choose from the correct activity. Number 5, technology in the classroom. Now, we as a teacher will learn a lot, and we know about the digital tools that we have for them, and we have to know how to incorporate technology, and this is a great way to engage our students. And we also, I can search and found different whiteboards, interactive whiteboards, or mobile devices, or the digital tools that we have for them. For example, you can use Visualize, you can use Kahoot, and you can use another activities and application for them in which you can create different activities, and the learning can become more interactive when technology is used by the students, can physically engage during the lesson and will instantly reach their ideas, which develops autonomy. And your students is learning every day. Number 6, behavior management. In this step, it's implementing an effective behavior management. A strategy is crucial to gain the students' respect and ensure that they have to equal chance of researching the full potential. And here, you look the discipline and reward that can be beneficial for both and your students. For example, you can include fun and interactive reward charts for younger students where individuals more behavior, but the top students receive a prize at the end of the week. This is the type of activities like you as a teacher search and investigate how you can reach the attention of your students. And the last one, professional development. Here, in education, you constantly change. Extremely useful to attend events where you gain inspiration from other teachers and academics. It's also a great excuse to get out of the classroom and work alongside other teachers like you. The sessions can include learning about new educational technologies, online safety training, iPads, how your teacher assistant, and much more. You can look for webinars, or you can search YouTube channels that is specific with educational topics, and also the digital tools for education that you can use, and you can make and create different activities for your kids, and you learn in a professional development programs, and you explore a lot. Remember that first, we as a teacher need to learn and to explore, and then the knowledge that we will share with our students. So this is all for this session. Keep going. Let's learn something new. Bye.